Hey there guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be giving you a minimalist living room tour as well as showing you my minimalist Easter decorations. So this video is a little long overdue, and that is because we moved into this house a little over a year ago and I just finished this space, but I am happy I waited. I will link this video up above. I announced that we were building a home and talked about all the plans that we had for the space. You will see that what I did in this space is totally different than what I had originally planned. And I'm glad that I waited because it allowed me to actually see what the flow of our home was and how our day worked. So everything that I chose for the space I know works for us, as opposed to us moving into a brand new home and picking all of our furniture out and then maybe finding out that those pieces aren't working for us in our new home. Before I move on to showing you guys our living room space though, this is a collaboration with two other wonderful ladies here on YouTube, two of my best friends as well, and that is Elle and Brittany Paradise, or Bits of Paradise here on YouTube. So Brittany is actually going to be showing you guys an easy cleanup tablescape for Easter. Her channel is full of so many amazing things. She's really good at home decor. She also talks a lot about her infertility journey as well as her adoption journey to getting her daughter Harper. Make sure you go check out her channel if you're interested in that type of content and to see her beautiful tablescape that she did for Easter. And then Elle's going to be doing a clean and decorate with me for Easter, so if you need some good cleaning motivation, if someone asks me who is someone that inspires me to be a better mom, to be motivated to take care of my home and just be productive in my day, Elle would be that person. So definitely go check out her channel. I know you will enjoy her as well. Alrighty, we're gonna hop into it and show you guys the space. So I want to give you guys just a quick overview first. This is what the space looks like, and I'll show you from a few different angles. So this is from our back door. This is what the space looks like from the top of the stairs. And this is what the space would look like if you were walking in from our entryway. So I really just want to get down to the nitty-gritty of it and show you guys where everything is from. I will have links for everything that I can get to down below as well. So let's show you guys. So first up is this wood wall right here. This was the last thing that we added. This was actually my sister's wood wall for her wedding. There are 4 additional pieces to this and a smaller piece as well. So this is just a section of it, but she did not want it and my mom didn't have a use for it and couldn't sell it, so we took it. So first up is this letterboard, which is obviously a very easy and minimalist friendly way to change with the seasons and decorate. So I just changed it to "He is risen" on it, and then I added these little pom-poms just to add some like Easter pastel colors for fun. Our normal colors that are in this space is just this yellow, and then my kids have a couple toys down here, so they have their rainbow stacker at the bottom, and then this has a built-in little storage area, so we have all their Schleich animals in here. Now we are actually going to be attaching a small white shelf down here, and then the rainbow will go on that little white shelf. And this was the newest addition to the wall that I wanted, was 2 little plants. They're fake right now, but we are going to replace them with succulents probably. We got them from the Target Bullseye section, I think is what it's called, and they were $5 each, but super cute, and we just put them on with 2 little hooks. This right here is the chair I've had through 2 nurseries, and now it's down here. I love it. I got it for I think around $180 off Amazon for Revelin's nursery. It's super comfy. A lot of people like sitting in it. Again, I will link everything if I can find links to it still. So moving to this side, I actually just got a macrame plant hanger that I'm gonna be hanging here, and I think I'm gonna get a spider plant for it. This is Grayson's place, or his bed, so we place him there if like people are over or something, we need him to stay out of the way because he's a 140-pound dog. He goes and hangs out there. He just sleeps there on his own choice. And we got that from Costco actually. I did want to talk a little bit about being a minimalist with holidays. Some minimalists don't want to decorate, and that's perfectly fine. That's what helps them live purposefully. Now for us, we really like holidays and decorating when we can. Ryan and I talked about when Revelin was very young that we wanted to be those parents that decorated for holidays. I don't think that you need to give up decorating to be a minimalist, but I am a lot more purposeful in my choices for what I get for decorating. I don't just go out with no plan in mind when I'm picking out decorations, and you won't see me every single year picking out decor either. Like this is probably it, and it's probably all I'll ever buy. I won't say like that for certain, but in the next coming years, I don't need anything because I have everything that's purposefully chosen for where I needed it. And if I find something that doesn't work perfectly and isn't exactly what I wanted, then I'm not going to get it. And that's the real idea behind minimalism, is living purposefully, and so you choose what you buy purposefully as well. And you can definitely do that with decorations. So down here is our ugly bunny. I love him. But people say he looks scary, but you know what, I love him. I got him at TJ Maxx last year. These are actually empty and they're toys, believe it or not, for my kids. They really love just like putting random things in there. So whether they put their animals in there or whatever it may be, they just pick those up and they each have one pail. This though is obviously the main decorating area, and that is our mantle. So this is what our fireplace looks like. It's just an electric one. Well, it's gas, but you turn it on with a switch. And then up here, we finally got our piece of artwork, and I got this from overstock.com. Again, links below if you can still get it. My mom and I are going to make little metal faces for these that attach with a magnet, so you won't see all that stuff anymore. But I'll probably bring Levi back out when Easter's not taking over my mantle. Levi will always be there. So first over here is my air plants. I have 3 air plants in there, and they're in a little terrarium. I got that from Lowe's. I have these little wooden eggs. I have no idea where these are from. I don't think you can get them anymore. We got them a couple years ago, I believe. But I did get this little greenscape from TJ Maxx that I added to the back. This Happy Easter sign, also from TJ Maxx. This right here, this is actually a candy holder. I have some Wholesome Suckers in there. That just goes back on there like that. And then this right here I got from the Target Bullseye section. It was $3, I believe, and I think it just kind of finishes it off and brings that pastel color to another area in the room because we have the pastel little balls there. And then you got that over there as well. Now next is the chair I've been getting the most questions about, and of course, my Great Dane. He won't not be in a video. So this is the egg chair. I got it from Target. We considered getting a hanging one that I actually saw at TJ Maxx, but I just envisioned my kids banging it against the wall. So we went with stationary instead, and it's actually much bigger. It fits 2 people, where the hanging ones typically is just 1 person. But it came with the bottom cushion. That's a blanket on there. The cushion looks just like these. And then these 2 side pillows and then the back pillow. So it was a good deal. And then we put up these little mason jar lights. And so at night we just light up those little mason jar lights, turn on the fireplace if it's colder. And it's just really nice. It creates a really nice ambiance, just relaxing at night. We love it. Then right here is Rensley's little space that she plays in currently. We have her toy arch, which you guys have seen. I got that from Scandyborn. They were nice enough to send it to us. And then same with the playmat they sent us as well. She loves that thing. We've been using it quite a lot. I should have put the playmat out sooner. I just didn't think to until actually just a couple weeks ago, I think it was. Soon that will probably be replaced with her jumper. I got this from overstock.com. It is an oversized chair. It fits 2 people and it reclines. It doesn't rock, but it does recline at a decent amount. And as you can see, my Jack Russell quite enjoys it. They have 3 different colors, a light gray, this kind of mid-tone gray, and then they have a blue, I think it is. I could be wrong on that, but again, links below. Behind the chair is a hippo that the girls play on. They have their Bilbos down here with their balls. Their other ball is somewhere else, probably in the kitchen somewhere. And then their play silks, which they play with their animals. And then here is our newest member of the family, Bob. He is my yucca plant and my first real plant. I've been loving him. So far he's doing okay. And then I have Levi, my service dog that passed away, right here with his, I just always keep his collar here. And then we have our dog spray for Grayson, and that is for hot spots because Grayson sometimes gets some and you put that on there. And then we have just this little love always sign, which one of our Flood fam actually sent to us, which was super sweet. And there's me and Levi again. And then my niece and nephew with Revelyn, and my husband, his dad, and his brother right there. So that is our entire space. It's really simple. You know, there isn't like huge, you don't walk in and you go, wow, Easter threw up in your living room. I just love that it blends with our style and it's not too much, but it definitely brings in that Easter feel. And then this picture, I was gonna talk a little bit about minimalism wise. I know some people like to switch out their pictures depending on the season, but if you're going for a more minimalist style, minimalist lifestyle, you might be looking for something that you can keep all year round. And that's why I chose this. I wanted to bring in the yellow somewhere else that I have in my pillows. And then the more I thought about it, I was realizing when I decorate for Christmas, which we use blue, silver, and white, it's not gonna match. So I decided to go with something that made more sense, and that was something that's more neutral and matches our space better so that it can stay all year round. And so that was the one that I chose. And it was actually a pretty good price. I wanna say it was $40, $45 or something like that. And then of course I have one other thing to show you guys, and that is this little guy is the only outside decoration that I have. And it is just this little Easter bunny wreath, I guess you could call it, which is super cute. And I actually found it on Amazon, but it was Amazon handmade, I think, so it was an Etsy seller, I believe. Well, that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you are on Facebook, make sure you go to my page and hit that follow button and turn on notifications. And if you're on YouTube, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you are interested in these type of videos. And then, of course, again, make sure you go down to the description box and check out Brittany and Elle's Easter videos that they put up today as well. And I will see your your wonderful faces on Tuesday. Bye guys.